Alrighty, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB and today we are going to be going through another Photopea tutorial. This was a comment based on a previous post for another video that I did. I didn't actually know about this feature in Photopea. Even faster way than I have been doing for a way to remove backgrounds. Really simple. It does a pretty amazing job. There's some fine tweaking to do after, but I'm going to show you that really quick. So I've dropped in my image. As you can see, I've got here Ant-Man and the Wasp, and then I'm just going to go to select up here at the top, and I'm going to go remove BG. Now I don't remember this being a feature back when I started using Photopea, so maybe it's been there for a long time, maybe it hasn't, but super quick, super fast, super easy. Now some areas aren't, super clean, but for the 98% of this, we've got one little mess up in here, which we can just go take our magic wand tool and select, or use our pen tool and select to remove. But this is an amazing, super quick way to remove your backgrounds. That's really all we're going to cover. Again, it's just dropping in your image, going select and remove background. If you have multiple layers, you're just going to select the layer that you want to remove the background, and it's going to create its raster mask image, as you can see here on the right of the screen. Now, with that is all we are going to cover today. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.